Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Sales Navigator step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type LinkedIn Sales Navigator in the search bar and press enter. Look for the official LinkedIn Sales Navigator website in the search results. Click on the link to be directed to the Sales Navigator homepage. Locate the sign in button usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. Enter your LinkedIn email address in the provided field. After that, input your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check your credentials for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you've entered your details, click the Sign In button to continue. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Sales Navigator dashboard. From here, you can start exploring the various features offered. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you are logging into the correct profile. For a smoother experience, consider saving your login information in your browser. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps for added security. Upon successful login, familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Now you are ready to leverage LinkedIn Sales Navigator for your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.